Hey friends, if Windows icon spacing is messed up on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. Search for registry editor in the Windows search bar and open the registry editor window. Go to HKey current user, control panel, desktop, window metric. Okay. Now we have two metrics here. One is icon spacing and one is vertical icon spacing. So this is the horizontal one. This is the vertical one. So if the spacing is messed up, like Windows icon spacing is messed up, then that's because it has been changed from, let's say, using a third party software or whatever. But it will be changed in the registry editor, right? Double click on it and change the value data to minus 1125 and hit enter. Same for the vertical one, 1125 and enter. And that's it. Restart your computer. After that, your problem will be fixed for sure. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. And if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.